Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm excited to share today's shoulder workout with you. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced fitness enthusiast, this routine is designed to help you build strength, improve posture, and sculpt those shoulders. Let's dive in. We'll be performing 8 effective shoulder exercises focusing on both form and intensity. You'll be doing 3 sets with 12 reps in every set for each exercise. Grab your dumbbells and let's get started.
Are you ready?
By the end of this workout, you will strengthen your shoulder muscles, enhance overall upper body stability, burn calories, great for weight loss goals, boost your confidence and feel amazing. Exercise breakdown. First exercise. Dumbbell rear delt pulls. Sit or stand with a gentle bend in your knees. Grasp the dumbbells parallel to your sides, hands facing towards each other. Squeeze those shoulder blades together. Use lighter weights if needed. Second exercise. Dumbbell upright row. Stand tall, dumbbells in front of your thighs. Lift the dumbbells towards your chin, elbows out. Feel those straps working. Use a wider grip for less intensity. Third exercise. Dumbbell lateral raise. Stand with feet hip width apart. Lift dumbbells out to the sides, shoulder level. Imagine those strong sculpted shoulders. Bend your elbows slightly for comfort. Fourth exercise. Standing alternating dumbbell press. Stand tall. Dumbbells at shoulder height. Press one dumbbell overhead, alternate sides. You have got this. Push through. Reduce weight if needed. Fifth exercise. Standing Arnold press. Initiate the exercise by lifting dumbbells up to your shoulders while keeping your palms directed at yourself. Press overhead, rotate palms away. Channel your inner Arnold. You can perform without rotation also. Sixth exercise. Overhead dumbbell front raise. Stand tall, dumbbells in front of thighs. Lift dumbbells straight up in front of you. Reach for the sky. Use lighter weights if needed. 7th exercise. Dumbbell bend over rear delt fly. Hinge at the hips, dumbbells in hand, lift arms out to the sides, squeezing your rear delts. Strengthen that upper back. Perform seated if necessary. Eighth exercise. Standing single dumbbell front raise. Hold one dumbbell in your front of your thighs, lift it straight up, keeping your core engaged. Focus on that mind-muscle connection. Use a lighter weight. If you like this exercise routine, make sure to like that subscribe button for additional health and wellness content. Try our other videos and don't forget to share your feedback in the comments below. Remember, consistency is key. Keep those shoulders strong and stay motivated.